Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Maniology's Primerose and Zinnia. It's MXM-073 and 74 today are the stamping plates. Here is Primerose. And this one's missing its sticker. Zinnia B422. I started off with Baby Girl Lacquer Glitter Be Gone as my base coat. It's a peel off base coat. And I'm just using both of the polishes out of this Mani by Me box. And I'm going to stamp with both of them also. I've got the first coat on. I'm capping my free edge here with Primerose. Yeah, I got a little behind on my Mani by Me boxes. So I'm playing catch up. And here we go with Zinnia. Or Zinnia. It depends on where you live, how you say it. Down here we call them Zinnias. Most people do. So there we go with our first coat of that. And you can tell it's kind of streaky, but yellows are tricky polishes. I'm telling you, tricky. So there we go. We're going to go in with the second coat. I could have gotten away with one. I know this. Don't fuss at me in the comments for wasting polish. I'm a two-coat girl. I can't help myself. So there we go with Primerose. And now our second coat of Zinnia. Or Zinnia. Fun with words. Isn't it great? So there we go. We got our two coats down. I'm going to top it with I&M's out the door. A fast dry top coat that's fairly thin. It's not a thick glossy top coat. It's a thin glossy top coat. Capping my free edge with that also. And there we go. Getting it over the yellow. Out of frame almost. But the top coat does help smooth it out a little bit on that yellow one. Hi, Woody. How you doing? There's my swatch photo of the polishes on their own. We got Maniology MXM-073 and MXM-074. I don't know really how I feel about these plates. I'm going to have to play with them some more. I think I like the layering aspect of that one right there. And there's a couple of images on this other one that I'm really drawn to. I'm not using them today. I'm just using what I'm going to use today. But I am going to clean these off real quick with some acetone. I guess because it was still cold here when this showed up. I just, you know, these feel more spring to me. We'll see. I'm going to play with it some more. I got out an ice cube stamper from Maniology and my H. La Cosadora scraper card. I'm going to use the yellow polish, the Zinnia, to stamp onto the Primerose nails and vice versa. I just want to see how well they do. Now, they do show up. They are visible. It's, you know, not like it's hidden or anything. But, you know, they just didn't pop for me. So, I don't know. I guess what I'm saying here is I would expect these two polishes in these boxes like these to work together. You know, that one would stamp over the other one. That's just my opinion. You know, I know I'm just a girl out there, you know, DIY and all that. But, you know, I'm going to play with these plates and these polishes some more. Not with each other, but on other stuff to see, you know, what I think about it, you know. I am cleaning that plate with pure acetone and then wiping it with a paper towel because I'm done with that one. I want it clean before I put it away. And here we go with stamping with Primerose over Zinnia. And it's a really pretty spring manicure. It's just, I don't know. You guys know I like the wow factor. I like that stuff that jumps out at you and pops at you. This is very delicate, very incognito stamping, you know. And I guess I was just hoping for more. But I do like everything in this box. You know, I'm not disappointed. I'm going to have to play with it some more. I know I keep saying that, but I'm going to have to play with it some more. So there we go. Got that one called clean. I'm going to do a little bit of cleanup. There wasn't hardly any cleanup with this. Very, very tiny bits here and there. Nothing real major. I'm going to top it with the Maniology smudge-free top coat. Now that we're up close, you can see it. It's there. And then once that's dry, I'll be covering everything with some Poshe top coat. Get it dry down, and that way I can get on with life. I love a quick dry top coat just for that very reason. Get back into life. And I do like these colors. As far as the colors go, oh, they just say spring. And I'm ready for some spring. I'm not ready for the sinus infection I'm sure I'll get when everything starts blooming real good, but I'm ready for some warmer temperatures and all that goodness. So here is my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.